Question number 1. Akira lights 5 identical candles all at the same time. They stopped burning at different times and now look as shown in the picture. Which candle stopped burning first? So it's quite obvious the candle that is longest of all that stopped burning first, and the candle that is shortest of all that kept on burning. So here option D is the correct option because the candle at the position D is the longest of all. Question number 2. The two kangaroo coins with the question mark on have the same value. What is this value? So first of all, we will add the given values. It's 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. That is equal to 31. Now we will see that 31 plus what is equal to 51. It's 20 because 31 plus 20 is equal to 51. As there are two coins with the question mark, so we will take half of the 20. We will divide it into two parts. That is equal to 10. It means the value of the question mark given on the coin is 10. So option D is the correct option here. Question number 3. A gray circle with two large holes in it is put on the top of the clock face as shown. The gray circle is turned around its center. Which two numbers is it possible to see at the same time? So to solve this question, we will count the numbers between the numbers which are highlighted in the circles. So between 1 and 5, there are three numbers like 1, 2, and 3. So we will check all our options. Option A is 4 and 9. This is 4 and here it is 9. So there are four numbers between 4 and 9. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. From 5 to 9, there are three numbers. Between 5 and 10, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Between 6 and 9, there are two numbers which are 7 and 8. And between 7 and 12, there are four numbers again. So option B is the correct option because there are three numbers between 5 and 9. So when we will rotate the clock face, these two numbers will be visible because the gap is same between 1 and 5 and 5 and 9. Question number 4. Alice has these puzzle pieces. Which two pieces can she put together to form this square? To complete the square, we will take either first puzzle piece or third. But we cannot take a second puzzle piece with these two puzzle pieces because this area will overlap with this area of puzzle piece 2. So that's why we cannot take puzzle piece number 2 with first and third. So we are going to take puzzle piece number 4 definitely with either first or third. So we can see that in option E and C, puzzle piece number 4 is given. So one of these is our answer. Option E is not possible because we cannot take puzzle piece 2 and 4 together because they are kind of similar. So definitely option C is our correct option. Secondly, question number 5. A light engineer in the theater runs the lights on and off. She uses the plan shown how long is total are exactly 2 of the lights on at the same time. So if we look at the graph, minutes and the colors are given. Here, in the first minute, only blue light is on. In the second minute, blue and green lights are on. So this is our first minute when two lights are on. In next minute, three lights are on, so we are not going to consider it. Here we can see orange and green lights are on, so we will consider this minute. After that, here in between 5th to 6th minute, two lights are on, so we will consider this as well. Here we are going to take green and blue lights are on in this minute, so yes, we will take this one as well. Then if we see in these minutes, two lights were on, so let's count the number of arrows. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So option C is the correct option. In question number 6, Christopher folds the transparent paper along the dashed line. What can he then see? So if we take the lower part of the paper and then fold it, in that case these two lines come on this area. So the first number is 4, then these two lines will make a 0, and after that a square will be exactly under the two lines, so it will be a 6. So it means option E is our correct option here. Question number 7. Anna has 4 discs of different sizes. She wants to build a tower of 3 discs so that every disc is smaller than the disc below it. How many different towers can Anna make? So Anna, here she can use these 3 discs to make her first tower. Then this is another combination. These 3 discs can be used the third tower. And here we have our last combination. So she can make 4 different towers by using the 3 discs. Question number 8. Danny glued the 2 pieces of paper, gray, white, on top of the black circle on the right. What can he not obtain? So let's look at our option A here. The black circle is first. After that she has pasted the gray semicircle, and top of these she had put the white paper. So it means option A can be obtained. If we look at our option B, the black circle is at the end. After that white piece is pasted, and at the top of these two gray semicircle is pasted. So B can be obtained as well. In option C we can see that he has pasted white and gray colored papers on the black. He has pasted gray paper on the black, and in the middle of both he has pasted the white paper. So option D is also possible, but option E is not possible because it is showing the partition of gray semicircle, which is wrong. So option E is the correct option. Question number 9. The shape on the right is covered with the 5 pieces below. Which piece will cover the dot? So if we draw a line over here, we can see our option C. If we draw another line in this area, then we can find our option B and D easily. Let's draw a line here, then we can see our option E is at the corner, and option A, which is a parallelogram, that is covering the dot. So option A is the correct option here. Question number 10. There are 6 weights of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 kg. Rositza puts 5 of them on the scales and puts 1 weight aside. The scales balance. Which weight did she put aside? So here if we look at the weights, we can see that there are 3 weights at the left side and 5 is must here, and on the other side of the equal 2 weights are there and 6 is must on the right side. So let's arrange the weights first. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have to make different combinations because we need 1 weight aside. So let's try 5 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2. So that is not right because sum is not equal. We will make another combination. We can add 4 and 1 with 5 and 3 with 6. The total on the left side is 10 and on the right side is 9, which is not equal again. So let's try another combination. If we add 2, 3 with 5 and 4 with 6, the total is 10 on the both sides of the weight machine. So here we will write 2, 3 with 5 and 4 with 6. In that case, we have 10 on the both sides and 1 will be aside. So option A is the correct option here. Question number 11. Ali has a 60 centimeter ruler. Unfortunately, some of the markings have faded away. He is able to measure any of the lengths 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 centimeter using his ruler only once. Which is Ali's ruler? So if there is a line and we consider option E as Ali's ruler, he can easily measure the length of 10 centimeter, 40, and as the total length of the square is 60 centimeters, so he can easily measure a 60 centimeter long line. Now the difference between 60 and 40 is 20 centimeter. So he can measure a 20 centimeter long line by using this area. The distance or difference between 40 and 10 is 30 centimeter. So a 30 centimeter long line can be easily measured by using these two markings. The difference between 60 and 10 centimeter is 50 centimeters. So he can measure a 50 centimeter long line by using this area. So option E is Ali's ruler. So that is the correct one. Question number 12. There are 7 houses north of road A. North side of road A is the upper side, which includes both lawns. 8 houses east of road B. So this is road B and east is this area. 5 houses south of road A. So south is the area which includes lower lawns. How many houses are west of road B? So we have to find that how many houses are on the this area of road B. So if 7 houses are at the north of road A and 8 houses at the east side of road B, then we can split 7 into 2 parts like this, that 3 houses are in the first lawn and 4 in the other, because we have to make total of 8 for the east side of road B as well. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So now 5 houses south of road A. So this is road A and south. 4 houses are already there. So we need to write 1 here. In this case, the total of the houses which are at the north side of road A is 7. The east side of road B is 8. And the total of the houses that are at the south of road A is 5. So now we can calculate the number of houses at the west side of road B. So it's 3 plus 1, 4. So option A is the correct option here.